Sunday morning until further notice. Impacts at 23.0 feet. Flooding will affect swamp and timberlands while also disrupting logging operations. Operations will likely cease and equipment previously moved will remain trapped. Some farmland will have minor flooding, especially around Britton Neck. Additional details, at 9 p.m. Saturday the stage was 13.7 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late Monday morning and continue rising to 22.9 feet early Thursday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 19.0 feet.